afternoon. This is the market update for buy sell short for Tuesday, September 11th. After a pretty snooze fest of a market yesterday, we had a breakthrough to new multi-year highs today. Possible reasons, who knows? They shook the market out pretty decently yesterday, so went without saying that they were going to snap us back just as quickly today. Of course, the excuse, Fed, QE2 or QE3 hopes on Thursday. It is a two-day meeting. Starts tomorrow. Announcement comes on Thursday. Usually we get the announcements on Wednesdays, but this time it is on Thursday. We got a lot of stuff coming up over the next couple of days. Tomorrow we have the German High Court deciding whether the ECB's bond buying program is legal. So we have that noise out there. Of course, we've got the Fed noise, and then we've got economic data on Friday. So a lot of possible wall of worry stuff out there. But as for now, market continues on its up move. If we look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that pretty steep sell-off we had yesterday to shake everyone out, and then, right after the open today, all the way back up and print new highs. It's just how this market goes. We get a better idea looking at the daily chart, and you can see the little flag here right at the multi-year highs break. We got a positive MACD cross on the Dow. Stochastics nicely over the 80 level. And actually, let's pull up a 3-year chart and see what we can see here. You can see that break through the multi-year highs. Unfortunately, we didn't close above it. So we really need to see a push back above that level over the next couple of days, or we could be at risk for double top action. So, a lot is going to depend on what the Fed gives us on Thursday, and that's where we stand. IWM, small cap stocks, as you can see, let's take a closer look at that. Almost a similar setup as the Dow on the small cap ETF. Again, multi-year highs are just above at the 85 level. Anyway, let's jump into some stock plays. ACAD, kaboom. This is a stock we've been playing over the last couple of weeks now. 25% move. A rule of two play yesterday on the breakthrough that 196 level, and kaboom, we went, hit 220 on the nose on a big volume break. Possible topping action could give us another re-entry tomorrow. We'd like to see that 196 support level hold for an entry there. Maybe a dip under 2 would be a scalp pickup with stops at $1.96 for a bounce back to a 210 plus over the next couple of days. It's not uncommon for these rule of two stocks to run up to 220, come back to the 190s, and then make another run back up. So we'd be looking at a trade opportunity there. But again, another perfect rule of two setup here. Probably one of the best trading strategies that we've had work for us over the last several months. ASTI touched the 20-day exponential today. Hammer bottom on this one. Tomorrow, Apple is releasing / announcing the new iPhone. Remember, this massive run we've seen on this stock is because of the iPhone and the solar chargers they have. The new iPhone, iPads, etc., all require new charging apparatuses, and these guys have a solar one. 185.91 area would be the breakout for a move through 2. Hopefully we get some sort of press release out of these guys tomorrow, and Bob's your uncle. Off to the races we will go here. DRRX, this is one we've been pretty patient with over the last couple of days, and finally we got our breakout move. Blew through that 120 level, closed right at the 125 breakout. If we look at a 1-year chart, this one could have some serious upside mojo going into tomorrow. Looking like a gapper play, 130s, 40s area tomorrow would not at all surprise me. MOTR, blast from the past. First close above the 50-day moving average. And actually, if we take a look at the chart, this is the first close above the 50-day moving average that we've seen since its sell-off 6 months ago. And as you can see, the last time MOTR got a close through its 50-day moving averages back in February, and this stock went boom. It ran 80% over the next couple of weeks. Here we have another same or similar scenario. Big retrace, close above the 50-day moving average. So let's see if we get similar action on this one near term. Indicators look really, really good. No resistance till the 165 to the 65/75 cent area. RSI up through 50. Nice volume increase today. ADX, stochastics, all looking very, very nice on this one. I would actually like a dip back to the 50-day moving average to increase my position on this one. ANTH looked like it was going to go boom again today. Got some chatter on Twitter, and that brought in some sellers, but the walk down seller was actually buying on the bid, so I view that as a positive. Continues to hover right around the 50-day moving average. They will chase this one on a breakthrough one. This one's got 20% upside. RSI about to break 50. Stochastics look good. I like the risk reward on this stock in the near term. ROYL. You know, for some reason, small oil plays woke up today and started running. ROYL, this is one we jumped into the chat room, 131, and we got a nice little pop on this one, a nice continuation on it. Breakthrough 250 tomorrow. Could see a move on that 264 to 274 zone. RSI breaking 50. Nice volume increase today. Stochastics look good. If it moves, they will chase. It's pretty much been the mantra for ROYL over the last couple of years. And if they continue to chase the small oil plays tomorrow, this is definitely one that could get chased. Another one, that's not how you spell it, HUSA, which really started the hype with its run over the last 2 days. Very, very nice close on this one today. Could have its eyes on a move to that 160 area tomorrow. Looks like a potential gap play. Would look for some nice strength on this one early tomorrow for a continuation move. Last but not least, COSI. Retail stocks have been doing very, very well over the last couple of days. Breakout on this one is 79 cents. 85.87 is probably where the chasers will start to come in. So we're trying to move in a little bit early on some of these plays because, you know, it's paid to get in a little bit early. We're back to that kind of market right now. Positive MACD cross. Last time we got a positive MACD cross, the stock ran from 72 to 87, 20% move. And stochastics was also similar on the chart. So the chart is lining up like it did before that big move late in July. Let's see if we get some follow through on the upside here tomorrow. That's it for the video tonight. Just an FYI, as I've mentioned, I will be gone Thursday through Monday on, I hate to use the word vacation because it's almost one of those, I won't get into it. You guys know what I've been saying in the chat room. I will be out Thursday, Friday, Monday, back on Tuesday. But I will be sending out the pop scan list nightly, so there will still be plays to trade. And if I see something worthwhile, I'll try and jump into the chat room when I can. So just an FYI, I'll be out of the chat room from Thursday through Monday. Any questions, just shoot me an email. I'll try to get to them as quick as I can. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.